Yo, what's up guys? I'm so excited today because we will unbox a new gadget. Yes, new gadget or new speaker. So in our previous vlog, we unboxed the JBL Partybox 300, which is right here. I think one of my best purchased in 2020, and as you all know, I'm a big music guy. I'm in a band. I also DJ or write some music. So this is my studio. So it's in my room. I think I need a new speaker for my TV. So currently I'm using this JBL Partybox 300, but I'm planning to move this speaker to the other room for my DJ setup because I don't have speakers in my DJ room. So I bought a new Partybox speaker. So what are we waiting for? Let's go! So guys, this is my latest speaker. It is called the Partybox 100. So this is the small brother of this Partybox 300. So I'm so excited to unbox this speaker to you guys. So this is the box. As you can see, it's one of the best product party speaker, JBL Partybox 100 Red Dot Award 2019 winner. Wow, JBL by Harman. So this is the speaker. Same, it has a powerful bass boost. So it's a Bluetooth speaker. So at the side, nothing special. On the other side, it's a JBL branding, Partybox 100. So I think it has a guitar input and microphone input too. Just a JBL by Harman, Partybox 100. So what are we waiting for? Let's unbox this bad boy. Let's go! Look, very cute. So guys, we have here the accessories. So let's see what's inside. So it has cables, and another power cable or power adapter, plus the manuals. So I will open the Partybox 100. So just long press the power button and there you go, it's on. So it's searching for a Bluetooth device. So again, I'll be using my phone. So there you go, there's a JBL Partybox 100 and that's it, it's connected. So I'm gonna play our original song because of the copyright issues. So it's a rock and roll song from my band called Fair Catch. So I'm gonna turn up the volume. So you can put your tablet or your phone here. Wow, it's so loud, man.
Just
bass boost. It's booming, so it's very loud. So this is the power button, Bluetooth. You can change the lights, bass boost. So this is the volume up, the play button, and the volume down. So this is the connections of the Partybox 100. So USB, so you can put your USB stick with music, input and output, AUX, and we got mic and guitar input, so you can use it as a speaker. So this is the volume knob for the gain. Awesome. It has rubber pads left and right sides with the JBL branding, so you can put your speaker like this or like that. So in this speaker you can also put a stand. I don't know where to buy the stand. I think it's available in Lazada. So this is the JBL Partybox 300 and this is the Partybox 100. Let's listen to other music. Sorry guys, this is original music again because of copyright issues. No bass. Bass boost. So guys, I am speechless right now. The original price of the Partybox 100 I think is around 13,000 to 18,000, something like that. So it's a very expensive speaker. So that's it guys. This is the quick unboxing of my Partybox 100 from JBL. This is not a sponsored video. So guys, thank you for watching. To all of my subscribers, keep on supporting this channel. Thank you very much guys. Salute! Like and subscribe because I have an online giveaway. So the mechanics is on the description below. So I'll be giving away shirts. Follow me on Instagram and like my page on Facebook for more details and updates for our giveaway. So guys, thank you for watching. Stay safe, take care, peace. See you in the next vlog. Partybox 100 from JBL, man. Brah.